Okay, so now we're gonna be looking at the CIC rechargeable model, and let's open it up. On top, they give you a troubleshooting guide, instruction manual, and a quick start guide, I think. And inside we have the hearing aids itself, the charging block, and the accessories. So I'm gonna take out the charging block. This is in the color white, quite simple. You just put the hearing aids in. There's an LED indicator right here. These dots indicate that if it's plugged in or not. And I believe this is the charging indicator for the base itself. We have the USB. This is where you would plug in the USB cord. It doesn't show you what, I don't think it shows you like a percentage level of how much battery you have left, but it might indicate it in other ways. So we have our hearing aids itself. It's in a plastic black case. Let me open this case up. Okay. So as you can see, we have two hearing aids right here. I love how this is in two different colors because oftentimes people have trouble figuring out which one goes to the what ear. And if it's color coded, I think it's much more easier to be able to distinguish them. This is the left ear in case you still don't know what the colors mean, different colors mean. We do have like a little L indicated at the very top to indicate that it's the left ear. Over here we have an on and off button. Right here, it's very tiny, but there's an on and off button. And we have the microphone right here. It's indicated by those tiny little 4 dots. We have these like 2 little pins on the corners. The golden pins are where it's like the charging contact. And we have our dome right here, which you can switch out based on your size. We have a volume control, which I think is you wouldn't need to screw it up or down. Yeah, this one, like the volume control, you can't really touch it, but this volume control, I think you need something different to operate it, and it's probably in the accessories box. So I'm gonna open up the accessories box and see what they gave us. So these are the different domes that it comes with. It comes with the wall charger itself, like a little brush with a flat screwdriver head. As I was mentioning that the volume control for the hearing aids might need to be controlled with like some sort of screwdriver edge, and it seems like this fits together. So this is how you would control it. And we have our charging cable. Finally, we have our charging block and our 2 hearing aids. So these are all the accessories that this comes with. So now we're gonna look at how to charge the device. We have the Nano charging base, and we just plug in our USB cable right here. And you can see like those quick blue lights flashing, and you can see that there's this blue light flashing right here. That indicates that the battery is fully charged. But if it was red, and that means it still needed to be charged more, the charging base itself. Now we have our 2 hearing aids right here, and I'm gonna try to plug it in and to charge it. And as you can see, like, it doesn't instantaneously light up. It takes a few seconds, so don't worry about it, and just like wait for it to light up, and see how it's like blinking red. That means it's charging and it's not exactly at 100%. So it's anywhere between 0 to 99%. And yeah, so the red light, when it's done charging, it will turn blue. Okay, and green light means it's 100% already, and it takes anywhere from about 4 to 6 hours for the device to fully charge. And the hearing aid standby time is about 20 hours.